We will now show stable and safe positioning in a side lying position with the patient tilted slightly backwards. Start by turning the patient to a side lying position without moving the legs. Then place LEJRELET wedge closely behind his back. Now place LEJRELET pad high behind the lower leg. Guide the patient back towards the LEJRELET wedge and bring the leg up onto the LEJRELET pad high. The patient is now lying in a stable position with good support, unable to fall on his back. From this position, it is easy to place the patient in a new position in order to redistribute the pressure. Bring the patient completely up in a side lying position, again by pulling the turning sheet onto the bar. Then turn LEJRELET wedge to place the wide surface on the mattress. Pull the turning sheet onto the opposite bar while slightly holding back the shoulder and hip. The patient is now turning on his back and is lying in a stable and comfortable supine position in an angle of approximately 30 degrees. We will now show stable and safe positioning in a side lying position which prevents the patient from falling onto his stomach. Start by placing LEJRELET wedge in front of his chest, then place LEJRELET pad high in front of the knee. Remember to leave enough room for the patient to be turned on his side. Use Vendlet to turn the patient on his side. Place the leg on the LEJRELET pad high. Move the patient to the middle of the bed. Lower the bar. The patient is now lying in a stable and safe side lying position with support in front of his upper body and under the leg, and it is possible to carry out personal care procedures without a risk of the patient falling forward.